Hey, this is Danny Hauger, and I was having such a hard time with my TD-27 Roland kit trying to import any songs. The best I could do was get the names to appear, but it would say unsupported file type. So I went in here. Here's my track listing for Hey That's Rad, my new album on Bandcamp. File convert is where you're going to convert, but make sure you edit your preferences first. Your import settings are right here. You want to use wave encoder, select custom 44.100 kilohertz, 16-bit, and stereo. Hit OK. Then go ahead and select the songs that you want, and you'll go to File to hit Convert and create wave version. Then find the finished file in your Windows Explorer, which mine end up here: music, unknown artist, unknown album. Your mileage may vary here. Look in your iTunes Media Music folder, wherever that is, and you'll find your newly converts there. And then from there, just copy and paste it to the root of your SD card, meaning no subfolders, just right in here with your other songs, and put them on your SD card, transfer them over. They're all WAV in the right format. And when you go over and carry your SD card, they will appear under songs. You just use the wheel to get to them, hit play, and they will work. I don't know why no one had made a better guide than this. I ended up finding a pretty decent resource from Roland that told me the right format to get. So hopefully it's helpful to you, and happy jamming, everybody. And please, if you like that, like and subscribe. Check out Danny Hauger Music on Bandcamp, iTunes, Pandora, any of those. And happy drumming. Thanks a lot.